Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Golden State Mint. Feel free to check them out. They have a large variety of items. Golden State Mint. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Okay, so once you get into the box, you can see here they do put a styrofoam cover, as well as other additional styrofoam reinforcement. So let's go ahead and continue. We have another box inside the box, also reinforced taped. So we'll go ahead and open that. Okay, now what I haven't shown along the way is each box was also numbered and labeled with all the order information, so there was no confusion during the, fulfillment process. So go ahead and take a look at the manifest here. We basically just got one item this time. It was on sale, and it is the 1 ounce Incuse and then Indian copper round. So go ahead and open this up. You can see here the additional styrofoam packaging. And let's see how they went and package these. So these would be tubes of 20 each. So you can see here, we got our 8 tubes of 20. And then, I was curious how they would do the other 10. All right, so inside of here we have some additional padding. And this being Incuse style rounds, you can see there the impression into the round as opposed to more of a high relief style. So that means the die had a protruding surface, which then impressed the image into the round. If we go ahead and take a quick look at one of these on the back side, you can see here the image on here. So again, these came from Golden State Mint. You can see there at the top, and the representation of that kind of style of image. You can see here the fine detail on the edges with the raised rim. You can see very nice the kind of the sawtooth pattern as a result of the ridge impressions. Taking a quick look at some of the 1 ounce Incuse rounds from Golden State Mint. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.